How to delete browsing history on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete browsing history on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and here you will find these three lines in the bottom corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find this one. Scroll down, here you will find it personal browsing data. Click on it, and here you will find delete browsing data. Click on it and turn off everything here and select browsing history and click delete data and then click delete. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.